wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best sliding glass pet doors. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. Unlike most other options, the pop-up pet door plastic can be quickly removed as needed, thanks to a lightweight folding construction that also ensures it's a breeze to store. It also doesn't have an obtrusive lip on the bottom that could trip senior animals. This one's less expensive than most too, and attaches with Velcro. However, it doesn't have any security features. At number 7, the Ideal Pet Products Fast Fit lives up to its name by being easy to put up and take down. The clear flap helps during training as dogs can see the yard from inside. It's very attractive once installed and adjusts from about 77 to 80 inches tall, but the included weather stripping is so-so. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the Thermo Panel 2E sureflap won't let any strays or wild critters into your home, as it can read a microchip that's implanted in your pet's neck. If your animal isn't chipped already, it can also read an RFID collar tag. It comes with a white or bronze aluminum frame and is simple to program. However, it's only offered in a small size. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sliding glass pet doors, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the magnetic seal on the Endura flap thermo is adjustable, so if your cat struggles to push through, you can turn the resistance down. This comes in handy on windy days, as you can make sure that dirt stays outside. It includes weather stripping and offers a tool-free setup and removal, but it is pricey for a non-electronic choice. Halfway up our list at number 4, the Ideal Pet Products VIP is suitable for vinyl doors and has a double-pane window that keeps the cold and heat out. It's heavy enough that you shouldn't have to worry about dogs knocking it over too. Installation can be a pain though. The flap doesn't blow open and is good for wide door frames. However, it makes a lot of noise when in use. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Available in 3 sizes, the petsafe 2-piece can accommodate animals weighing up to 100 pounds. It's not designed to be a permanent installation, so it's not as sturdy as some other options, but it is easier to set up. It doesn't require drilling holes and is a cinch to store when not needed. It's backed by a 1-year warranty. At number 2, if you don't want your furry friends to have to do any work, the high-tech Pet Automatic activates whenever pets get close. It uses an ultrasonic collar to detect their presence, so you won't accidentally let in a raccoon. It features double-pane low-E glass and a nearly universal door lock, and it won't shut if an animal is in the way. And coming in at number 1 on our list, if you're worried about letting bugs in, the petsafe Freedom has a magnetic closure on the flap that keeps it shut when not in use. It also prevents heat or cold air from escaping, so you don't have to deal with a huge energy bill. It's made with tempered glass and available in a choice of several colors, or with a security panel. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sliding glass pet doors, or simply click beneath this video.